On our lower flap here, this rear flap has that angle on it, much like the angle on our front scoop. To complete our assembly, I'm going to fold back this fin. Yours shouldn't be folded. I wouldn't recommend doing that. Okay. I'm going to take another 2 to 3 inch piece of tape, put it on the edge of that flap, pull it back, line up our edges, and tape this together. Note that I'm kind of squeezing these pieces together. If it doesn't go quite straight, we can try unpeeling it gently. And realigning that. Depending on your tape, it may peel off, it may not. And now our fins sit pretty close to upright. Okay, you may have to do a little bit of problem solving. You may have to put some additional pieces of tape on the inside here, or kind of across these edges, pulling them together. If I pull these bottom edges together, it spreads our fins out. Okay, you may put a spoiler or something on the top here. This completes the construction of your skimmer. Please make sure to photograph it at several different angles. If I can see here, I can see the whole body. I can see a front view. I can see a right side view. I can see a left side view. And I can see a bottom view. Okay. Upload your photos to the assignment and turn that in, please. In our next video, I will demonstrate how to test your skimmer.